Greetings from San Francisco, California. I'm Philip Zimbardo, formerly professor of psychology at Stanford University, where I taught for over 40 years. I'm excited to share with you news of my new publication on the dynamics of disobedience, experimental investigations of defying unjust authority, which will appear soon in the Journal of Psychological Research and Behavioral Management, published by Dove Medical Press. I have co-authored this study with Dr. Piero Bacchiero of Palermo University in Sicily. Our article summarizes an extended series of experiments we did that are focused around the conditions under which people obey or disobey unjust ethical demands from authority figures. Now, we all know that human beings have a strong inclination to obey laws and social norms. This tendency is encouraged in us by parents, by teachers, by priests, by employers, and far from being undesirable, it plays a key role in maintaining order within social systems. Obedience and social conformity are essential processes in all societies. However, some authorities are just and deserve our respect, while others are unjust, demanding behavior that challenges and opposes them. Opposition to unjust authority may originate not only from within the individual, as it is largely believed, but also from specific situational cues. In the first case, it is an ideology, that is, right-wing authoritarianism, that plays a key role in pushing participants toward defiance. In the latter case, it is a social heuristic that provides participants with an effective cognitive mental tool to solve the ethical dilemma they are facing. Our basic situation involved an authority figure, a college professor, requesting college students at the University of Palermo to help write a persuasive message that would encourage other students to participate in a risky, dangerous situation on sensory deprivation. They were not allowed to reveal the likely extreme physical and mental dangers their peers might experience. And the study was done simply to promote the career of the professor. We manipulated aspects of the social situation we believe would promote disobedience. One was prompted by the defiance of others who were physically present. One was prompted by the higher material cost of obedience compared with that of defiance. And the final one was prompted by the participants' previous act of opposing another unjust request. In our large sample of nearly 1,000 participants, we had equal numbers of males and females, but gender differences had no effect on our outcome measures. However, the personality trait of right-wing authoritarianism led to significantly greater disobedience in all conditions. Disobedience was shown to be influenced by various social situational settings. It is clear that our results must be considered as the first steps within a research area that up until today has been largely neglected. Without a doubt, there is a need for new studies that are aimed at identifying additional situational factors capable of triggering disobedience or discovering the complex psychological dynamics that come before and accompany carrying out noble, important actions of disobedience. The social psychological value of this study and of this whole area is far too important to remain neglected by experimental psychology. And that's why we hope that our study will be widely read and appreciated, and it will stimulate new research. Thank you very much.